Switched to this food after seeing it recommended for large breed pups on dogfoodadvisor.com. Honestly, couldn't be happier with the results. Our 8-month-old Bernedoodle is finally having healthy, routine, solid poops. Still his energetic, curious, pretty self. We tried expensive food, grain-free food, and we've had the best results with this type brand 4/5 stars because it contains byproduct. This little cowgirl thinks EARMS is great stuff, winning lots of love as a therapy dog and learning more tricks all the time. I had large breed foster dogs that were maybe 7 to 10 months old. They ate like crazy and I went with cheap food, but they were always hungry it seemed. So I went for a higher quality brand of food for them and it kept them full and healthy. I did not go through as much dog food either. Nice big bag of food. Our puppy loves it and I are growing amazingly. Shiny coat, strong healthy teeth, etc. Great food for life. I ended up with this food because my then puppy kept having diarrhea from several other foods. My vet recommended this particular EARMS and it was great. Diarrhea stopped. Very good 4 months later. And her coat is gorgeous. Weimaraner Mastiff mix. Remember, once open storage properly in the first few days to a week. If you start your dog on this, expect loose stool. And start half and half with her. His past good for 2 days before a complete switch. I'm a mountain curs breeder and this food works great for me. Waters down good and less wasted feed. The dogs seem to enjoy it.